Hello friends, every recommendation I'm going to give you has been verified here in the shop, so don't worry, this has a solution. If your Ford is showing the power reduced to lower engine temp message, don't panic, and don't think the engine is about to explode. Basically, your car is saying, hey, I'm getting a little hot, so I'm going to reduce my power to avoid damage. It's your Ford's protection mode, designed to prevent you from ending up with a fried engine. The first thing mechanics always recommend is checking the coolant level. Yes, that liquid that keeps everything cool. If it's low or there's a leak, the engine can really overheat, and the message appears immediately. Many owners report that just topping off the coolant or fixing a cracked hose solved the problem completely. Now, if the coolant is fine, the next usual suspect is the engine temperature sensor. In some cases, the sensor can send false readings, making the computer think the engine is hotter than it actually is. Mechanics agree that replacing a faulty sensor is one of the most common and effective solutions. Another point that often comes up in forum discussions is the wiring and electrical connections. A frayed wire, loose connector, or bad ground can send incorrect signals and make the system think the engine is overheating. Cleaning, tightening, and checking these wires has made the message disappear for many owners. Finally, in newer engines, especially EcoBoost models, auxiliary components like exhaust valves or heat exchangers can trick the computer and trigger protection mode even when the engine is fine. Some owners solve this by updating the software or repairing the specific components flagged by the OBD2 scanner.